Last week, I must have had about 30 haters. And I've been challenging this with, as you know, with yourself. I like this. This is actually quite cool. Your personal control. So what I thought about, Rowene, is this. We go down and buy a burner phone. A burner phone. And this burner phone will be used for the hater. We're going to put it up online with immediate effect on all my social. This is my number. If you've got something to say it to my face. Okay, so, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to one of the phone shops right now. I'm going to buy the cheapest possible phone and we're going to record all the haters and we're going to make sure it happens. Hold on, I'll turn the camera now, 2 seconds. And then that's what we're going to do from now on. And what do you think? Yeah. You like? It'll be called, we'll call the title, we're going to buy a hater phone. No, haters, are you chicken? What do you think? Bruh. Right, so we're heading down to a beautiful little city. It's not far outside Belfast, between Belfast and I would say Lurgan. I don't know if anyone knows Lurgan. But yeah, we're heading down to get a phone. So why am I doing this? Well, listen, I think it's important that people should have a problem with people like me. You know, I work hard, I earn my money, I pay my taxes, I abide by the laws of the land, I try my hardest for my people that work with me, around me, for me, with me. I grow the economy, I put into the economy. It's important that people hate me. And I'm okay with that responsibility. I'm not soft and I don't really give a what people think of me. However, I think it's important that if you've got something to say it to my face. So we're going to do it. We're going to do a trial to see if these haters are really cowards. You know, they sit and cower behind their little tiny screens and their pathetic lives where they feel that they have to say something just to make themselves feel good for the day that they work. So I'm going to give them an opportunity to be brave, to be strong, and say what they mean and mean what they say. The whole plan is really to open up this challenge. So this is for you haters. If you don't like what I am, if you don't like what I represent, and you come and speak to me and I will video it and we can have a full debate with you about what you think of me as a human being. I believe that I've been a very good human being. I'm kind, I'm generous, I'm respectful to every single person who's respectful to me. I will never, ever show respect to a person who's disrespectful to me. It's not gonna happen. Please guys, 93% of you are not subscribed to my channel. Please subscribe to keep the entertainment coming. Thanks for watching. Respect is mutual and it's a dance of gentleness, whatever you want to call it. I think it's important for everyone to know that. So, we can park here. Oh, look at the parking space. Lovely parking space. Let's just do this. It's a great parking space. And we'll pull it up onto the curb like the Range Rover I have. And we'll go and speak to an O2 shop. So, I've got to pay for the parking because I've been done for parking and we don't like government interruption, do we? This is a great wee day. This is like a day off. We're not working on eBay and we're not working on the letting. Well, we are. I'm going afterwards to do some repairs. So anyway, where are we? I think I've got it on the government assholes. Now this is where I love the government, right? Okay, so we have to go and we have to do the usual. So enter the location. What does that say? Way on down there. It's for the blindies. That's the code, right? There it is. There's the ID sorting. Now I have to add my vehicle. Vehicle, Range Rover, I think it's called. Okay, pre-authorization, okay. To make sure that I've got sufficient funds in my bank to pay for banking. Right, okay. So they just pre-charged me 75p. It'll probably go up to 12 quid, whatever it is. Come on. It's not normal that we do a wee walk on the cameras. I kind of don't like the public watching me being filmed. What do you think? It feels a bit weird, doesn't it? There's a nice shop there, look, McCall's. They sell all nice gibbets of gear. So we'll stop what we're doing, we'll cross the road and we'll meet outside a phone shop, shall we? Here I am. I'm going into O2 because this is probably the only phone shop left in the town. I think there's a Vodafone nearby, but all the other phone shops are gone. Anyway, I'm going to go into O2 and get myself this burner phone. Okay, you sit there and wait outside. You wait outside like a good boy. We've got a load of people that are hating me at the minute. And I'm telling them, we're putting up this project saying, look, if you've got the balls, come and speak to me. So I want to buy a burner phone, they call it. So we bought a wee burner phone. There it is there. This is the one that we will listen to the plonkers calling me. There's 4 new messages already. What a great phone. So now I can slap it in 80 style. I'm sick talking to you, man. And I'm going to have to do it in a real way and fire the phone. But there it is, a wee knock. It's even got the old batteries. I sell batteries. Let's have a look at this girl. That's a Nokia BL5J. I sell them. Ha! That's crazy, man. But great wee phone. It's good to see these phones back. Buttons are a bit dodgy. Here is the number, just in case anyone wants to know. I'm not frightened of listening to it. So I'll put this in my phone pocket and it'll go diddly-doo, diddly-doo, diddly-doo-doo. Right, hold on, let's have a look. So, to all you haters, 0756 4768 772. I put the gauntlet down and I bet you're all cowards. You're all yellow bellies. Call me on that number if you have a problem and we'll have a chat. We'll have a debate. I am a great debater. I'm a master debater. I'm very good at it. I'm a master at my class, so I'm a master debater. Yes? Ah! Oh, the government's taking you away. Maybe he didn't pay his road tax. Anyway, right, okay, let's go. Thanks for watching. We're going to get my hair cut now. I need to go get my hair cut. Look at the state of me. I look like a, what do you call that? The abominable snowman or whatever. A Yeti, that's right. Come on then, let's go. That's us.